can see, I'm driving this into the seating now. I'll drive it into the seating. Let's see if this is gonna work. Oh. This is a 2-inch PVC pipe, and that's a 2-inch PVC pipe too. And all I need to do is just to cut this maybe an inch or 3/4 of an inch opening, and then this is about 3 inches, as you can see. And then forget about this hole because I drilled that incorrectly. You only need to drill one hole, which is this hole. So you can use this with your screwdriver, and then you can have the 1.5 inch drywall screw in there, and then you just, you know, push the drywall and into the seating and keep turning, you know, clockwise to tighten it. And then that's it. It's gonna, and then you're done. Same thing was there. Just one hole. This one hole, use a hole driller. Having it, I think it's half an inch little hole, access hole, and then you can drive the drywall into the seating. And you can see I can easily take this fishing rod off and then put it in, and then here like this, and that's it, you know. And if I need, I can put a small rubber band to loop around this, and then go here to lock this rod from the rod holder, so this would not slide back and then fall down, you know. But even as is, you can see it slide back, it's not going to fall because the top is, the front is you know, against the seating already, so it's not going to fall, you know. So it's going to be sitting in there secure. Okay, very easy. One opening, 1 inch, and then 1/4 inch hole for access of your screwdriver, because otherwise your screwdriver can't get in there, you know. And then 1.5 inch drywall screw, and then into there. So I'll have all the links in my video, and so you can do the same. You know, this is a 2 inches PVC pipe. Okay, very nice. This rod is about 6.6 feet, and it's 2 sections, so very typical 2 sections fishing rod. I got the 30 pounds braided line from Walmart, and 30 pounds is the minimum braided line, so you don't lose a big fish like a snakehead or a catfish. You know, this 30-pound braided line is going to be able to hold a fish at least 20 or even 30 pounds, you know, so it's pretty good. So basically what I did was I just cut this off. I can easily put the fishing rod in, you know, and then that end is just that end. But I had to drill a hole here. This one is incorrect. I shouldn't drill this one. Drill this one here, and then put a 1.5 inch into the seating, and that's it. There's this rod holder. It's not in the way. So if I need more, I can do one more here, right next to it. don't know, maybe a little bit over.